Hi guys, hope you guys are ready for this week. Starting week 4, we're going to be switching from history and copyright over to careers in audio, video, and film. So today's assignment is going to be pretty much what you're looking at here. You're going to complete the quizzes at the top of the page for my attendance and a progress check. These are just a couple of questions. I want you to write them in a complete statement and answer in your own words for full credit, and turn them in Canvas. The assignment that we're going to be working on today is what you're going to do is a one-day assignment. And all you're going to do, these videos are going to walk you through some of the careers in audio, video, technology, and also in the film. So then what I'm going to do is have you to, when you finish these videos, is to look up 10 particular jobs in either side, audio, video tech, technology, or you're going to look up something in the film industry. Either way, anything you want to find would be fine. Matter of fact, if you want to find a lot of jobs, check out the end or the end credits of a movie. You'll be amazed at how many jobs that are required and can fit within a film industry. So use any of those. You're going to find out what the jobs are. I'll give a quick or brief description of them. Find a video or a picture of somebody performing that task or that job to add on your slides. And I forgot to tell you, you're doing this on a slide. So each slide should have a different one. You should have 10 slides. Now, I want you to do 2 extra slides. And on the last 2 slides, I want you to pick 2 jobs out of all the ones you did, or you may choose 2 other ones that you would like to go and pursue. Tell me why. And also, guys, make sure on these as you read the instructions, as the instructions say here, you want to make sure that you give me a job range or a medium estimate salary on each one of them. Shouldn't take you all day. It should work pretty fast on these. We'll talk about maybe grouping you guys together. I think this is something you guys can do on your own. But if you have questions about it, please prepare to ask those questions in class when we come to synchronous on Wednesday and Thursday. I hope you guys had a good time, and I hope you're prepared for it. And let's move forward. Talk to you then.